The market leaves footprints, and this indicator, it tracks those hidden patterns of behavior with surgical accuracy. All you need is 3 touches and a single crossover. In this video, I'm going to show you an oscillator-based tool that quietly identifies perfect reversal zones, not once, not twice, but exactly on the 3rd touch, and it gives you a clean signal when momentum confirms. It's not RSI, it's not MACD, and definitely not one of those noisy moving average crossovers. But it's one of the smoothest, cleanest reversal indicators we have tested. Let's see how it works first, and then reveal what it is. In the start, you look for zones where the market clearly respects a level more than once. The oscillator moves between -2 and +2, and you focus on 2 areas, the lower zone around -2 for potential long setups, and the upper zone around of +2 for possible shorts. You have to mark a line as support and resistance near this zones with at least 2 previous touches at that points. Now, when it comes back to that same area a 3rd time and reverses again, that confirms it. That's your potential reversal zone. But the trade entry doesn't happen yet. You wait for the oscillator to cross the midline, sitting at 0. That crossover is your confirmation. When the line crosses above 0 after a triple touch near the bottom, you enter a buy. When it crosses below 0 after a triple tap near the top, you enter a sell. The name of this indicator is Laguerre Filters. Most traders use it like a typical oscillator, entering every time it crosses the middle. They miss the true power of this setup, which is waiting for that 3rd touch confirmation before taking a midline crossover. Let's walk through an example. Suppose the Laguerre line drops to around -2 and bounces. Then it dips again near to -2 and bounces once more. On the 3rd drop, it hits -2 and reverses again. That's your zone. You wait. A few candles later, the line crosses above 0. That's your long entry on the closing of a candle above midline of 0. Your stop loss goes just below the swing low, and you can either target the last high or use the oscillator's return to the top zone near 2 as your take profit cue. For shorts, just flip the logic. Look for 3 taps at the top, then sell when it crosses below the midline. Now, as for time frames, this method works best on 15-minute to 4-hour charts. You can scale it down to 5-minute for scalping or up to daily for swing trading. The indicator has a gamma setting that controls its smoothness. A lower gamma makes it more responsive, while a higher one makes it smoother and slower. The default value works well for most setups, but feel free to test it out and see what fits your style. And that's how you trade using the Laguerre filters with the triple tap reversal and midline confirmation method. This isn't about guessing tops or bottoms. It's about waiting for structure to form, letting the market prove itself, and then using momentum to confirm your entry. If this strategy helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more hidden TradingView gems, and drop a comment letting me know which indicator or method you want me to cover next. Trade smart with TradeXA, and I'll see you in the next one.